Hello viewers at home, the purpose of this video is to show you how to retrieve all the email addresses that you have sent to SystemeIO.com, whether they are people who open a free account or sign up for one of the SystemeIO.com training programs. All of these contacts that you have sent to SystemeIO.com, you can get back their email addresses. So here I have to blur everything out. It's because it shows email addresses, so I don't want to reveal people's email addresses from everywhere. But basically we're in the SystemeIO.com affiliate dashboard, so it's easy to follow along. You can do the same. What will change is the date range to say all time. So the date range depends on your account, and will also only take the sellers that are SystemeIO.com, not all the other SystemeIO.com vendor clients, only the SystemeIO.com products and plans. But first, click on the right and inspect element, so we can choose the network tab. This will show us everything that's loaded on the page. So when I select SystemeIO.com sellers, we see some files pop up. There's a lot, but we scroll up to find something that starts like this, with 161, because 161 is the SystemeIO.com user number. It's the seller's number. And so there are several things, we have to look at the links, and by reading the URL we can see what it is. So this one for example is an invoice, and there's the counter, so is this an invoice? No, this is the list of offers, so it's not that one. Keep scrolling. We hover over it and see these are charts, so this is data for the graphs. All these files are data, the databases for our stats, and then the page shows them to us in table form. But here we have the raw data. So this one is payments, because it says payments, and here are the leads. So the leads, we see the URL has /affiliate/dashboard/lead/list, so this is the one, not the next one. This is the leads file to show us how many total contacts we've sent to SystemeIO.com. What we can do is right-click on it and open in a new tab. So here we have the leads, but we see there's only about 10. I'll show you. I'll copy the URL and paste it in our doc so we can see it clearly. So here we see it's definitely the list of prospects for user 161, and we see pagination limit 10, so that's why there's only 10. Here we can change it, we can put 10,000 for example, to get them all. Maybe for you've only sent 1,000 contacts, so you can put 1,000. And the other parameters are the date range, date since is when you started, and date final is today, August 18, 2023. So this can change to get whatever period you want for the leads. I have it set to my whole period since the beginning, and 10,000. So I'll copy this link, and paste it in place of the one the page loaded, which was only showing 10. So now it's the maximum. I have less, especially since SystemeIO.com deletes contacts over time from their list. So even if you sent 10,000 contacts over 2 years, how many are still left of those 10,000 now? And all the others that were deleted by SystemeIO.com are not recorded from the past, they disappear. So now this is a much bigger file, really a lot bigger. This text file is JSON format, so it keeps all the information. There are not just email addresses, inside there are the emails, the tags if we use tracking to send people to SystemeIO.com, the specific link they follow to sign up on any SystemeIO.com product or the site directly, and more. So once you have this, just click on it, Ctrl+A or Command+A if you're on Mac, then Ctrl+C to copy it. Then go to any online tool that can extract emails from JSON. Here I'm using TextConverter.io, but you can find many. Paste it in, and on the right you choose how you want the output, in columns, remove duplicate emails, sort alphabetically, etc. You'll probably want the output to be in a simple comma-separated list. So choose Custom and separate by comma plus space. In lines not columns. Then click Convert, copy the output, and paste it for example in Notepad. Now you have all your email addresses, sorted alphabetically. You'll have to find the first one from Aurelian at SystemeIO.com and delete it. So there are many emails you can easily retrieve from SystemeIO.com, fairly easily. Everything you've sent to SystemeIO.com. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Bye.